Ever wonder how much freelancers actually make in 2025? It's not what you think. This isn't another video where someone tells you to follow your passion and then disappears. We are breaking down real numbers. How much freelancers earn today, who's making 5-figure a month, and how you can actually get there too. And spoiler, it's not all sunshine and passive income. Let's cut to the chase. According to Upwork's 2025 freelance report, 64 million Americans are freelancing this year. That's almost 40% of the workforce. But here's the thing no one talks about. The income gap is massive. Some freelancers make $5 an hour, others make $150 an hour, and have a 3-month wait list. But why? It comes down to 3 things: niche, experience, and client type. A freelance graphic designer might earn $25 an hour, but a UX designer for a fintech apps $120 an hour. Picking your niche is a separate topic, and I describe it in a separate video. If you're new, expect $10 to $25 per hour. But after a few solid projects and reviews, you can increase that easily. The client type is about budgets and the client payability. A local bakery has a small budget, but Silicon Valley startup, fat wallet. Let's talk numbers. A beginner freelancer on Upwork usually makes around $500 to $1,000 per month in the first few months. Sounds modest? Sure, but that's with no experience, no reputation, and 0 constant clients. Now jump to year 1. You've built your profile, stacked reviews, and picked a niche. The average income at this stage? $2,000 to $5,000 per month. That's already more than many full-time jobs. But here's where things get spicy. Freelancers who master clients retention, upselling services, building personal brands are consistently hitting $8, $10, or even $20,000 per month. One freelancer I found, copywriter, no fancy degree, no viral TikTok. She charged $300 per hour and is booked out for 2 months. How? She picked a niche, built a portfolio, and focused on result. You don't need to be a genius. You need a system and patience. The real challenge isn't finding clients. It's getting out of the $10 an hour hamster wheel. So many people get stuck doing low-paying gigs for years. And it's not because they're bad. It's because they don't know how to level up. Here's what separates high earners. They say no more than they say yes. They treat freelancing like a business, not as a part-time job. They build systems, reusable proposals, client onboarding documents, templates, etc. And they track everything. Want to raise your rate? You better have the data to back it up. Time spent, results delivered, client feedback. It's not attractive, but it works. So, how much can you earn in 2025? It depends. But if you specialize, build trust, and charge based on value, not time, you could easily hit $100,000 per year or more. And that's not some internet guru hype. That's real data from real freelancers. Freelancing isn't a gold rush. It's more like a farming. Plant seeds, water them, and eventually you will grow a forest of repeat clients and steady income. In this video, I didn't talk about how to achieve results and build a successful career. I collected all my recommendations on this in the guide that you can find in the description below.